CVM is basically a mix between data science and then the marketing itself. And that's where all the game is. We keep expanding our CVM to make sure that our CVM is everywhere. It's in the all channels. So our customer will find that, okay, I can get the good offers by entering whatever channel that we have. We trying to tap into a lot of events actually, which will make the offers become contextual and then without disturbing them. 1 month revenue in the previous 4 years is basically now only 1 hour revenue at midnight.
Welcome to CVM Stories, the podcast on customer value management. Together we explore how companies can be more successful and the customers happier through the use of latest customer value management techniques. Learn key commercial and analytical insights from telecoms, retail, finance, and other industries that drive CVM forward.
Hi, I'm your host Egidius. Today we are joined by Tommy, a head of CVM data growth strategy at Indosat Ooredoo. Tommy is an expert in mixing data science with marketing to help reduce customer churn while also growing company's revenue. Join us to hear how Tommy employed 24 different communication channels for his successful CVM initiatives.
CVM Stories is produced by Exacaster. We help companies take their customer value management to the next level. To stay updated on our latest episodes, subscribe to the podcast or sign up for an email newsletter at exacaster.com/CVM Stories.
So, welcome, Tommy. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you, Eji.
Could you briefly introduce yourself to our listeners?
Okay, hello, hi. My name is Tommy Wahyudi. I'm from Indonesia. So currently I'm working at the second largest operator, we can say, in Indonesia, where I work as a VP of base monetization. Basically, this one is implementing CVM and then trying to get increasing the revenue by implementing CVM technique actually.
Mm. So, Tommy, I know that there are very little people who, start their careers and become CVMs immediately,
Yeah,
Could you describe a bit your path? How did you join telco industry and how did you become a professional in this area?
Before my career in telecommunication, actually, my background of education is information technology. So basically, I'm familiar with programming and then also coding and all those technical stuff. Once I graduated, I went into a software developer house and then spent my time 2 years over there. Then I think I feel it's not my passion. So then I tried to join a telco company. At that time, it's a CDMA company, and then from that one, I keep jumping around into the telecommunication company. I think around 4 or 5, all in the telco company. Then I over there I start my career as reporting and then almost operation in sales, and then I jump into the analytical work, and then I switch into the marketing after that, and then after that I get into this CPM kind of things. Yeah. So it's at that time it's very very new and it's quite interesting at that time.
So you basically did a best practice, for customer value management. It's an extremely cross-functional role, and you basically touched almost everything.
Yeah,
Maybe
kind
except
of.
base stations,
Correct. Yeah, it helps me actually from all the background that I have. It's helped me to make
So-
this CVMS more richer.
what would you say is your, let's say, how development or programming skills are helping you on a daily life?
Oh, it's helped me a lot actually because CVM is basically is almost touch technical things also, right? So I think by understanding how the thing is working at the back end is actually helping you to build a good logic that can be delivered into the platform. Because yeah, when you do the programming, so basically you understand what kind of algorithm it's supposed to be, and then where the data is being fetched, and then how it get delivered to the customer. So I think it's quite helped me a lot actually understanding how it works. Yeah.
Okay. Would you recommend the marketing people to at least study programming?
No, I think with the AI is coming, I think it's very now it's more on how you develop your mindset, and then how you create a concept, and then I think a lot of tools is available to do that actually.
Mhm. You mentioned that the CVM function itself in Indonesia is relatively new, maybe with compared to other, let's say, disciplines. Yeah.
Yeah,
How would you describe what kind of your role in the organization currently?
yeah. CVM, I think some is referring this one as a CLM, customer lifecycle, and then it got evolved to CVM. From what I see, this one is start to being introduced in telco in Indonesia is around 2000, 2010, 2011. With at that time, it's very, I think, traditional, I can say, where you do a batch campaign, and then where you uploading the whitelist. Then it got evolved, and then more data science, and then modeling, and then real-time campaign engine, and where then after that it got evolves into the current state. Yeah. So currently, I think ZVM itself in where I work is now become a significant revenue contribution, where it was just a very, I think, a small contributor of the revenue. But as we implemented this CVM more and more, I think the acceptance in the market is very good, and then we see the traction over there, and then people actually like it how we do the approach of this CVM. So I think we are at the pretty much at the mature stage in the implementation of CVM.
Mm. And as you are kind of seeing the transition, yes, in the
Yeah,
organization from, let's say, focusing mainly on acquisition, growing, etc., like the customer base, to now managing the value of the customer base, what kind of challenges have you seen in the organization? Like, how do you educate that organization through the process, etc.?
yeah, interesting question actually. Yeah, because the CVM is basically a mix between data science and then the marketing itself. So I think it met in the CVM, because I think people in the organization always wanting they become a Google or the technology company actually, where they utilize a lot of data actually without, I think, not so many I think understanding that actually in the CVM itself, I think it matches over there the data science and also the marketing. I think it matches in the CVM, and then that's where all the game is. I think is being played, but the only I think, like you see, what we see, I think because this one CVM is new, right? I think it's a new kind of branch. So I think a lot of CVM guys is being addressed to. Yeah, you are just selling a cheap product to customer, so that's why you are growing. Well, actually that is not the case. Yeah, we trade off the yield with the subscriber to make them spend more, right? I think so. I think eventually then after 2 or 3 times of question, and then also we even do some experimenting to check whether you are really increasing the revenue. So we can now at the C level, I think our C level is quite educated on the how the CVM is helping the organization, I think. So even yeah, I think it's a long journey to into that one, because yeah, it takes time to people to understand the CVM, how it works.
Mm. Mhm. And when you talk about, let's say, when you align the strategy with your C level, what kind of KPIs are actually delegated for you, or what kind of primary objectives is delegated for CVM area?
Uh, CVM is started as a main KPI usually is reducing churn. So what we see is that's how usually CVM is being given a KPI. But then after some time, it's evolved into the revenue also, because we also trying to reduce this churn by implementing by giving a good offer to the subscriber, so they not going into the other operators, like, which now one of the CVM KPI for us is also revenue. But the way it's being measured is not only that KPI, because I think we on the CVM side you need to see I think 2 3 level below, such as even the revenue is there, but it's supposed to be, are you giving incremental revenue or not, and then what kind of a gap between the offering that in the ATL and then in the CVM. So we are not trying to make it too low. And then yeah, basically ARPU uplift is the one that is we are trying always constantly checking.
Mhm. And how do you solve the handshake between, let's say, acquisition function and customer value management? You know, this is kind of usually typically a challenge, you know, because
Yeah, so on the our current function, we are splitting our base into the less than 90 days. We call it a baby care. So anyone who's just joining the network, they will handle by that function. And then after that, after it is more than 90 days, is usually fall into the, we call it base management. So where over there, I think we are having a pretty mature development on our subscribers. So mostly they will stay over after 3 or 6 months. But on the handshake is between new acquisition, it's this baby care function actually, where we trying to give them a lot of good stuff. So at least you stay first, and then yeah, after that you can go into the base management. Yeah, I think like
and is this baby care period handled by your function, or is it actually handled by acquisition?
this one is based. This one is part of CVM, but they specifically handling this new acquisition. So the acquisition function is in sales. So they just trying to get as many as acquisition they do, and then our CVM function is trying to hold all most of that new acquisition, which is sometimes tough.
So you're basically responsible for sales team KPIs, you know.
Yeah, it's both lah. I can say. Every time we see that it's the survivability is very low, what are doing? Then okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Now, during our initial discussion, you mentioned that now you feel pretty confident that your CVM activities are in pretty advanced state in the market. Yeah.
Correct.
Could you describe kind of your current state of the CVM? How do you see it?
Yeah. Before our CVM is basically a batch campaign. So we start our journey in the 2020 where we move our batch campaign into the real time engine together with our partner, which I think at that time is quite challenging. I think because any migration of the system will be tough. So but after a successful migration, then we see this one is start to take off. So we start with 2 channel at that time, and then along the way, after I think 4 years, I think we are almost everywhere, connecting with 24 partners or the channel. It's quite big, and then we even I think tied up with online shopping, and then also the latest is banking. We keep expanding our CVM to make sure that our CVM is being everywhere, and then it's in the all channel. That so basically our customer will find that, okay, I can get the good offers by entering whatever channel that we have. So that our state is currently is at that big actually. I think from the 2 channel now we are already at 23 or 24 channel.
Oh my God, this sounds like an
Yeah,
insane number of channels.
yeah. COVID actually somehow is COVID-19 is somehow is accelerating this one. Because even we work in the digital, so but somehow people become feel the need that to integrate. So at that time, I think we integrate a lot of channel, even though we are working from home. I think. Yeah, that's
Okay, so as we touch this part, let's go deep in that, because for me it's pretty inspiring how many different communication channels do you use. So, for example, could you mention some of the? So you are saying like 24 different channels. So I know SMS,
yeah,
USSD,
sure.
yeah, IVR,
Yeah,
okay, telemarketing. Now, what are the 20 more?
yeah. So we have our apps, telco apps. That is also our biggest revenue contributor. So and then we have Google, and then we have a Meta product actually, Facebook, and then we have a lot of partner of e-commerce. I think we have 6 or 7 over there that is connecting to us. So whenever their subscriber typing their numbers, it will be trying to get what kind of offer it's being asked first to us, rather than a traditional catalog. Okay, this is the kind of catalog. All you just choose whatever you want, and then switch into this kind of personalized. So I think that one is acceptance is very good. And then we have also banking channel. We just integrate. We have also push USSD, so it's not just a UMB. Also, we make some certain trigger. Whenever you hit the trigger, then this push USSD will come into you. And then I think that's pretty much. I think pretty much. So yeah.
Can we dig one level deeper into every of those? Because it's like, for me, I see at least 3 or 4 channels that are not so commonly used. So first
Yeah,
is eShop, yeah. So you mentioned there that you have kind of 8 or 10 different partners there. So could you describe what kind of partners are those, and how does this how is the user experience happening for the consumer, so that we would understand it better?
yeah. Oh, before I answer that one, I think I forget also to mention that we also expanding to retail. Yeah, so I think it's kind of new actually. So yeah, and then going back into your question, it's a lot of e-com actually in Indonesia. It's just like Amazon of the US, but this one is we have a lot of e-commerce actually that is selling data pack actually. Even I don't know whether you know some transportation like Uber of Indonesia is like Gojek and Grab. They also selling data pack actually over there. So what we trying to tap is actually in that site where they selling a data pack, we integrate at that part when they put their number. So basically, it will be just creating a separate box where it will only give you 3 or 4 offers. So you don't need to confuse actually what is kind of offer that I need to choose because that 4 is already curated. So basically that one is based on your personalized spending and then all the historical, so it's supposed to be matching with whatever you need. So that's why while at the same time we're trying to upselling them with a good offer over there actually without they being noticing.
Okay, so I will reiterate if I understand correctly. So, for example, in Indonesia, you have a Grab, which is kind of you can get a ride sharing, you can purchase
Correct.
anything basically there, similar as Amazon. And one of the things is that they actually sell top ups and packages for the telco, yeah.
Correct.
And here you personalize that. Okay.
Yes, we
Uh,
personalize that one.
Okay, that's a very interesting use case. Really not so common, but for users, it should be a really good experience, because you only see what is relevant for you.
Yeah, and also the that partner is giving a good discount. Yeah, so sometimes the offer is already good, and then the partner itself is giving a cashback. They say, so I think
Mm,
it's a good combination over there actually.
okay. Then other very interesting channel is banking. You wrote that you launched a new product with local banks. So could you
Correct.
tell a bit more of the experience there?
Okay, banking is actually the hardest channel that we try to integrate there because bank is having a lot of yeah, they have their own rules that you must cannot give this you cannot the integration process must follow their own development time and then all those things. So basically after trying to approach them 2 years and then convince them that okay, it's better you use the CPA because people is actually migrating to this kind of channel because they see this one is giving you a better offer, and then after that, one bank is okay. Let's try to integrate, and then that's what we have. I think on the January or February, that this one is get launched, and then after that, we see another bank is trying to okay, let's do it. And yeah, I think once you get one, then it's the others start to coming in. Yeah. But what we see is actually the implementation is quite the same. It's just basically you just need create 2 or 3 relevant offers, and then asking the bank team also to okay a bit differentiate the how it looks, and then put it on top, and then yeah, just give some label like okay, this is the exclusive offer for you or hot promo for you or something like that. And basically people is catching that box, and then they see the attention into that box, and then they kind of start to moving migrating into that one because I think that one is giving better value actually for the offers. So yeah, that's how we implement on the bank.
So you say 2 years, yeah, project.
It's tough. It is, I think, the longest. I think we trying to, yeah, we constantly meet them 1 month, and then they say no, you miss our development time. And then after, okay, we may, okay, we will wait for the next development time, which is when, and okay, before that time we try to come. Yeah, yeah, it is interesting.
How do you calculate a business case for that? You know, it's like
Yeah, it's just I think while we developing the big one, I think we okay, let's follow whatever they want lah. At least we landed one first, and then just like we expected, once one is falling, then basically the others will continue.
then let's move to the Metas product that you're
Uh,
using and the channel. How do you use that? Because for me, this is a totally unknown territory.
can you repeat again? Sorry.
You said that one of your channels is Meta's specific product, and then
Yeah,
Google's. Yeah. So
yeah, yeah,
could
yeah.
you describe what's that?
Yeah, on the Meta is basically within Facebook itself. You will found that you can connect with the uh, with the operator where we can sell data package over there. So using that one, actually, we start to integrate our CVM, because I think after we integrate with the ATL product, we start to integrate with the CVM one, where we again the mechanism is the same. It's basically API based, and then we ask also the same box where it can show the CVM offers over there. It's like we ask more. I think on the site, I think we get 5 or 6 offering over there. So that's where CVM is get into Meta product, yeah. And then for Google, is basically in the Android phone. There is a Google. They call it a mobile data plan. You can browse it in the settings. Basically over there, then you will see a lot of feature. When you integrate with operator, you can see what is the quota over there, and then what kind of package that you can buy. So yes, another one is this one is just another integration with our API. So where once that one is established, is basically CVM offer is open into the for the all the subscriber.
Mm. So, Tommy, it seems that your mission is to hunt subscribers everywhere. It's like
Yeah, yeah, that's our mission. Yeah, we want to be everywhere, and then ours is supposed to be contextual, and then we must be a personalized one. So I think yeah, that's one of
okay.
our mission.
And now, if you kind of so you said that you started your journey in 2020, yeah, and
Yeah, correct.
at that time, do you understand correctly that your primary channels were like USSD, SMS, and your own app, something like that? Maybe a point of sales, customer service, so these channels. And during those years, you transitioned to 24 different channels. So, how is number of kind of purchases or revenue part splitted between the channels that you own as a telco and the channels that you introduced? Is it kind of well, maybe not exact numbers, but just understand, is it like a significant part, is it a lowish part, how to understand the business case of basically going everywhere?
Yeah. So basically, although we have 24 channels is integrated, I think, but The top one, the top revenue is basically coming from the still UMB, and then also our own apps. That one is the two top revenue contributor, and then it follow with by retail, where we also part of our channel, and then online, and then followed by we also I forget to mention there is a WhatsApp. Yeah. So basically the top 4 or 5 is the channel. The rest I think is just a small one, but it's there actually.
Mhm. So they are still basically growing and kind of being adopted. Yeah.
Yes, correct.
Mm. But from the customer experience point of view, I think this is kind of a true omni-channel experience. Yeah. It's like
Yeah. Wherever you go, you will find us actually.
and if we move back, so you have this really broad channel adoption strategy, and you said that I want that offers would be contextual for every customer. Could you
Yeah.
dig deeper on this part? What is your definition of being a contextual?
Yeah. We try to tap into the right moment of the when subscriber is trying to purchasing a pack. So at the beginning, we do a lot of SMS broadcast. Right? I think that is common to all CPM is sending the SMS broadcast. Where at that time is we just send at 9 a.m. and then all the subscriber will receive, hey, you buy this one, you can get this one, and but then after that we try to move into the contextual by tapping into what kind of event that currently they are having. So what event that actually we see it's quite successful is whenever the subscriber is doing the reload or recharge. Uh, then within second we send the USSD push to them, and then where they can see all the offers is over there, and then that's where we see the acceptance will start to grow quite big on the CVM side. Then people start to looking again when they miss the USSD, then where I can find this one. Then basically with that one, our journey to the contextual is begin with that one, because we see when you tap into the right moment, then basically they will take it. So then we go into, okay, what if your quota is almost over, so can we send you a good offer, and then at the time it also give a good increase, and then we see again whenever your quota is almost expired, will it give a good one? So basically then we see we trying to tap into a lot of events actually, which will make the offers become contextual, and then without disturbing them, because I think SMS is SMS is quite intrusive, and then people not reading it anymore, I think, in Indonesia. So that's why we need to find a new and then innovative way to connect with our subscriber.
Okay, so you basically kind of gotcha. And then, so you define the context within to deliver the message, and you link it to some specific customer event, basically, yes? To make it
Correct.
contextually relevant. Now,
Yep.
you still need to deliver the good offer itself,
Yes. Yeah. Even even we don't send any SMS broadcast anymore to our subscriber. We stop doing that. So because we know that subscriber will trying to find the offers by themselves, because we are already exist almost in all channels. So I think we are at the stage where the subscribers actually know how to find the offers, and then sometimes we experimenting with okay, let's give good offer in this channel, and then what will happen. So basically people is just migrating into that one. So that's kind of thing is interesting things like that is happening.
But it's really good that you have really engaged people. It's like, okay, if you want to move your customers to your own channel, like to a mobile app, and that they will come.
Yeah. That's I think that's we already at that stage actually.
So this is like a superpower.
Yeah. We can direct which channel is where they need to go, and then what kind of channel that we want to promote this month.
Mm.
So yeah, we have that kind of power.
And do channel managers bribe you? To so.
They come sometime when they see, oh, why my channel is dropping down, what are you doing? So okay, we need to push this one. So that's why we kind of steal it from you a bit, and then we'll come back, we'll give it back to you later. Yeah.
When you select the offers, do you build some, I don't know, next best offer algorithms, or do you kind of how do you solve this personalization part?
Yeah, that's I think the next stage that we are trying to do, where basically we've gone in through these rule based things where uh, we come with a lot of model at the back end, and this one is actually start to creating a algorithm mess. Yeah, actually a lot of branch of this one, and then like for example, okay, you are going to churn or not, okay, and then what kind of state next, what are you buying, a monthly or daily, then it becomes a lot of branch on the offering, which if we try to do it more detailed, then we found that it's too complex to our operation, and also the engine itself is become, we see it sometimes become stuck at that time. So then we, okay, let's not going into too many branch. So let's just pick two or three logical offers to them, and then but what we see is okay, sometimes is we are tempted to do more actually. Okay, what if we add this kind of branch into this one, then yeah, it will become big again, and then after become too big again, then we, okay, let's reduce it again. So until at now, so we are thinking, okay, I think this time we are implementing a NBO, yeah, where let the machine is thinking what kind of offer they should see, and then based on the whatever trend, the data that coming into the system itself, and then they decide what kind of offer. Let's say we choose six, let the machine decide what kind of offer they need to see. So yeah, we are developing into that one. It's very early stage. We it's not even live. We are planning to make it live, I think, this month. But I think we are going into that direction because we see it's become too messy because we put all the algorithm based on the rule base.
Mm. So rules, when you kind of define, let's say, the way you select the offers, rule-based algorithms, they have a lot of strengths. It's like, you as Tommy, you can understand them, you can explain
Yeah,
for yourself
correct.
to the team, why does it kind of, why did
Yeah,
the user got something, and
correct.
and what are the challenges when you move from the full control towards somebody else decided? And for example, your machine learning algorithm decided who will get the bonus, which channel will get the bonus this time. How do you deal with those
Understand.
challenges?
We think about that one. Okay, so we are asking. Okay, once we move into this NBO, then what we are going to do to our partner. So and then how we will monitor this thing. Because sometimes we have a question from our uh, C level or higher ups is usually what they ask why I see this kind of offer. Why then at that time, like you say, rule based we can understand, oh, because you are falling into this segment and the segment and the segment, so we can clearly ask answering their question. But I understand with this NBO we will kind of don't know, so that's why on our partner we ask them, okay, you should give us a function where when we put this number and then we you should tell us like in the I mean in the like in the e-commerce or in the Facebook or the Google, right? Usually they telling you why you are getting this offer because you are blah 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 like this. Like it's not fully detailed, but we are asking that kind of the same functionality. So whenever the question is coming, we can tell them directly without being like losing control. Because I think once they ask, we don't know how to answer, then they will start to question a lot. So yeah, that kind of things I think we trying to must have before we launching this one.
Mm-hmm.
It's supposed to be like Google. Google is you are receiving you are seeing these ads because of this one, right? Something like that. So we are trying to develop that one.
Well, good luck,
Okay. No, I see. I see. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see.
Could we drill into some of the use cases when you so you added the context to the user, added personalized offer using the business rules? And which of the use cases do you see that actually worked immediately, worked like magic? And said, you as a Tommy said for the team, we need to implement this and you will see it will work. And it did,
Yeah. I think for the use case, I think it's uh, not. I think at that our stage right now, I think it's easy. We can play with the offers is quite fast and then see the result because our base itself is already very understand how very understand with this offers we have we brand ourselves offering with hot promo. So whenever a subscriber is seeing that one, they kind of understand this is a personalized one. So what we see is whenever we how I say it, whenever there's a changes on the offers, is basically they kind of know directly whether we are make it this one is cheaper or make it this thing is more expensive because of the business need. So basically what we see is when you do the offer changes, they kind of start to taking it if that one is beneficial for them. And when that side, I think we do a lot of trying to do a flash sale also, and then special offer all for you, all of those things actually is working well actually.
Mhm. So everything where you give extra value to a subscriber, it basically works, yeah?
Yeah. That's work. So that's why we need to calculate the ARPU uplift. So it's not just giving more to the subscriber.
Mm. So you've been going through this transformational journey the last 4 years. What was your biggest challenges? I would say going, because you said that when you joined the company, you started the kind of you changed the tool set and you started kind of new strategy for implementation. So what was your key challenges there?
Uh, I think when you trying to do this kind of changes, you will, especially in the ATL driven company, I think they will mm, start to see that the revenue is flowing into the CPM side. I think that sometimes is causing a kind of a bit question actually. So are we doing the right thing? Because people is let's say shifting from the ATL to BTL one, and then with the kind of mindset that they have, that CVM is basically just giving a discount. So that's why is people is moving over there, and then you give cheap offers, kind of thing. I think so. The biggest challenge is basically trying to educate the partners, even in the works, that basically moving to CVM, I think, is the best option to keep the subscriber, and then while we still growing the revenue, because once they move to CVM, so basically the ARPU uplift, what we see, it's better. It's almost 2-3 times is better, and then also they stay longer with us. So basically that is the challenge. But once you can convince them with data, so because I think CVM is more on the data, I think we all good at that one. So we show them the proof. So basically after that they okay, they not checking again on the revenue whether this one is ATL or BTL. So what they see it now is the total, and then they convince that whatever the subscriber is moving to CVM, then the result will be good. So I think that's I think the I think the biggest challenge here if you want to implement the CVM.
Mhm. So basically, in industries where, let's say, the markets are maturing and the acquisition is not is kind of slows down, yeah. Now the challenge is to educate the organization how to do the transition from acquisition and ETL campaign, ATL campaigns to BTL campaigns, yeah.
Correct, correct,
And
correct, correct.
if, let's say, a colleague in other company would be in your situation, what advice would you give for that colleague to succeed?
Uh, it, it must be slowly process. Actually, slow process. You shouldn't just directly want to go to 24 or how many channels. You should get your basis understand first with the CVM, and then only from them then you start to adding one channel into another, and then also one channel into another. Then your maturity and also the understanding on how the offer is being given is also increasing along with the additional of the channel. So mm, I think it's not like whenever you want to implement this kind of thing is 1 years and then all is supposed to be good. It's I think it will take several years to build this kind of state. But once you get into that one, I think you will see that is the good benefit to the company, where you can give the offers without you need to spend a lot of banner into the ATL one, and then they kind of just waiting for it, and then even what we see is they kind of immune to the other telco offers actually. So I think it's kind of you need to take it slowly on this one.
So it seems like it was a tough journey with a very nice outcome. You know, what is your future perspective? You know, what is your next big dream, Tommy, from the customer value management
I think
perspective?
yeah, I think from our side, actually, that's the kind of thing we are trying to do is we trying to move to the AI or the machine learning things where we kind of invest as an organization itself. Our company is going towards that one. So we also trying to going into that direction also. So from like I say, we are trying to move from role based to this NBO, and then how it will gonna be, we don't know yet. But I think we believe the AI will be the future development for the CVM, because as a company, I think the implementation of AI that is directly connect to the customer is through CVM, right? I think because that's where the subscribers actually seeing it. Oh, now my offer is even more relevant for us. While at the back end, actually, that one is AI is doing the offers with. Then yeah, then we hope with that one, of course, the revenue still growing, and still controlled, like you say, I think. And then we also can, yeah, let's see. We don't know actually. It will be how will it will be on the NVO things here, but I think we are going into that direction.
Mhm. Okay, so it's like AI directly to consumer, yeah. Like
Yeah, yeah.
and to wrap up our conversation, Tommy, we always ask our guests to share their well, several things. Thing number one is what was your proudest career moment?
Yeah, I think for me, I think for the products or the in this CVM field is actually is transforming that CVM into the major significant revenue contributor, from we just very small, I think, into I think our revenue contribution is become very yeah, very significant, as maybe you can imagine, yeah. Our 1 month revenue in the previous 4 years is basically just now is only 1 hour revenue at midnight, even at midnight. So,
Wow.
so I think, I think that's kind of a contribution is that big. So I think, yeah, it's transforming from that one into the current state. I think we are very proud of. Even the whole team, I think, is very proud with that kind of moment. Even we try at that time, we capture, okay, this is our uh, full day revenue, and then this is our 1 hour revenue. So you can see, even at midnight, well, people is actually sleeping.
So I hope, Tommy, you got a really good bonus for this achievement, you know.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I cannot say that.
Uh, Together with great achievements, I think comes some lessons from, let's say, kind of failure parts. Yeah. Could you share some of your lessons as well?
The failure one.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay. Now, yeah, DCPM is basically is really rely on the data feeding, right? So all the segmentation, and then all the offers being given is actually is rely on this kind of things. So if that things got stuck, then basically all the subscriber will see a very cheap offer, no matter what the segment they fall into. Right? That happens once. it makes my heart is quite, oh my God, how how can we do this? Yeah? So because yeah, one day we found why our revenue is become very very high at that time, and then yeah, we found out that okay, there is something is not happening on the backend side. The data is not being flown, so that's why people is suddenly is buying all these things. Yeah, then but that one after that we recover quite fast, and then then we set up a mechanism where this thing will never ever happen again. That's kind of a thing. Yeah, if we think about that one, I think it's everyone is panicking.
So,
Yeah, but we
I assume that this revenue loss was deducted from your bonus. Yes.
but we see that it's a good side also. People is actually coming back.
So this was kind of one of the best campaigns ever made. Yeah.
For one day. In 1 month, we see it's not really good.
And for people who wants to grow the career as you did, Tommy, moving through different ladders, could you share, let's say, your personal source of inspiration and learning?
Yeah, this one is in CVM is quite tough at beginning when you start this thing, because I think a lot of the practitioner is not really having a one channel or one source of book. So it's basically you learn this one is from the data science actually. So and then there is no single what I see one source that is really talking about this one until I think Exacaster I think is one of a good channel where actually it's very niche, but I follow this one is quite I think I watch some of the stories I think, and then we kind of get learning. But before this one is actually my source of information is basically just reading some data science book and then trying to imagine this one. Oh, this one can be implemented actually in our organization, and then more of the I think more of the that kind of book, that data science, and also also algorithm book is more on that one. No specific book of CPM actually.
This makes sense. It's like this function. It's not very well structured around the world.
It's actually a mix of many function actually.
Yes.
So it's not only one thing is marketing only, because this one is like I say, it's mixed with the data science. So it's actually interesting one.
So thank you, Tommy, for sharing your experience today. It was very interesting to hear your insights and learnings and best campaigns ever.
Best campaign ever. Thank you, Iggy. Hope that one will be can give a good insight also to others CVM practitioner in other countries. I think this one is currently might be still a small community, I think, but along the way, once the AI coming, and then also the data science is become more common, I think CVM CVM is the way, I think. Yeah.
Thank you for listening to CVM Stories. If you enjoyed the show, please leave us a review. You can also ask us a question about a particular customer value management challenge you have at work. We will happily ask our experts to tackle your challenge in a future episode.